Hello world, Wendy from Cali here, and I thought I'd show you a quick way to fix a chip in a Color Street mani. For those that encounter this issue when you've done an awesome mixed mani and then this happens. So the strips I used for the tips on this mixed mani are a retired set from Color Street called Would You Rather. It's a forest green. The color is not showing up on camera as bright as it looks on the hands, but I had heat sealed these to keep for a rainy day, which today is that day. So because I got this chip from a little too much activity happening, I'm going to show you how to quickly fix the chip with another nail strip. And first thing I want to do is I want to cut open my package and take out the nail strip that's going to fit over my thumb there. So it's likely going to be the biggest one. So I'm going to pull that out. I'm not going to heat seal this back yet, just in case I mess up and I need to do another one. But we'll leave those right there for now. Now, these are a one-time use product, so I'm not a Color Street stylist. I'm just a huge fan, and they are said to be a one-time use product. But of course, a savvy and frugal folks who love doing mixed manis know to either heat seal them and keep them for another time use and pray that they work, or keep them in the freezer. I've heard other people do, which I haven't tried yet. But I'm gonna fix this. First thing I want to do though is I want to remove as much of the polish as possible because I don't want it to be very thick. So I'm gonna take a little bit of polish remover on this little Q-tip here, and I'm gonna go over that nail and try to remove as much of the green polish as I can so that it won't be a thick layer when I add the new strip. So here we go. Just use the remover, and you can use any remover. I'm currently using the Color Street non-acetone nail polish remover, but again, you can use any remover that you are comfortable using. Color Street is 100% nail polish, so any non-acetone nail polish remover or even acetone polish remover can remove it. So you'll see that I'm taking most of that green off. Underneath this layer, you'll see that I had the silver Fort Worth it. And I apologize for the background noise. I am filming this in the phone, my home office, and the phone is a background noise here, so my bad. But you can see scam calls are always happening, even on fun day Sundays. But here we go. So I've removed the majority of the green polish. Going to toss that out, let it dry. Now I'm going to show you guys the penny trick, which is a way that you can create a French tip for your manicure without having to buy a French tip or even buy a hole punch. This is the cheap and frugal way for creating a French tip. So really quick here while I put on some mood music for us. Here we go. So let's put on some more mood music so that we can continue with fixing this. So you take the Color Street strip and peel off the clear backing, or the clear cover, I should say, not the backing. And you just flip it over, use the penny, and what you'll do is you should have a pen available so that you can draw around the penny shape. So really quick, let me do that. So there you'll see that I've done that. Take a pair of scissors. These are eyebrow scissors, which you can get in any kind of manicure kit. Cut off that, and then you're simply going to peel this off here, and you're going to stick it right onto your finger right there. And then all you got to do now is peel it off, or you could file it off. I typically just use my nails to help take the polish off. And if you're super savvy, you can actually try to save some of that strip, but for the purpose of just this video, I'm just going to take it off like that. And I'm going to grab a nail file really quick and just file off any excess. So let me just quickly do that. Any nail file will do. I personally like glass nail files, but right now the quickest one that I have in my possession is just a plain old emery file. So I'm just going to file off the excess. Fix that. And you're pretty much set. You can continue wearing the mixed manicure until you're ready to change it up for something else. Or you can put a top coat over it if you'd like to kind of seal it in for a higher shine. I sometimes like to do that, especially when I've cut out different shapes like this. It's nice to have something on top of it to kind of make it all one layer. So the one topper that I have is not that expensive that I use. The Nail Aid Platinum High Gloss Top Coat. I'm just going to go ahead, make sure that I don't have any stray filed pieces left on that nail, and just paint it over, and then it's fixed. So that is my quick tip on how to make a quick fix on a French tip for your mixed mani. Now, of course, if you had the full nail and it's a solid color, you can simply just remove and replace with a new color. You can do that as well. And then the leftovers, you would simply just take a flat iron. I typically like to just take a flat iron like this, and I just close it up. But now that I'm videotaping this, I do see there's a couple more little fixes that I want to work on, especially on my pinkies here, the edges right there. So I'm going to just fix those off camera. But hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to find me on any of my social media platforms. Links are found below. And if you want to order any Color Street, my sister-in-law is a Color Street stylist now, and so you can see the link below if you'd like to purchase any Color Street nail strips from her. And that is all I have for you. Thanks.